Hello all, welcome to Billionaire YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on Nifty daily chart. We are going to see why we are bearish on Nifty, why our view is on downside all the time since past couple of days. So those couple of tricks, tips or secrets we are going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned and watch entire 10 minutes of video. Maybe it will be near to 10 minutes, so yeah, I'll try to cover it as quickly as possible. So here when you see, I have plotted Elliott waves starting from 17,500 low. So this is the 17,500 low to the 18,600 high. So this entire move has quickly gone within a span of 1.5 years, you could say, towards 18,600. So this is very sharp up move considering the all previous moves. Let it be 2008, let it be the market going up from 2008 to 2020. So those particular ups are nothing in compared to this, as this went very sharply up. So this is one of the move where we have seen that 5 moves are right now completed. So 5 moves, market moves in 5 moves. Okay, as per the Elliott Wave Theory, market has 5 up moves. 5 waves. So yeah, there are 3 up moves, 2 down moves. So 1, 3 and 4, 1, 3 and 5 are up moves, 2 and 4 are down moves. So when the market goes up, first wave is corrected by wave 2, right? Third wave is corrected by wave 4. What is the correction? Like once it goes up, it retraces downside. You must be aware of demand and supply theory and all other theories. One of the part of that is whenever something goes up, it retraces down, pushes forward up again. So this is how the markets are working, right? So after completing 5 wave sequence, one sequence comes which again corrects this, corrects on the downside. So that's where we are in. So that's why we are bearish. So another thing that I want to tell you here is, we have shared one of the video where we have mentioned how to spot a potential crash. So you can watch that video on the link above, and there we have mentioned that after 3 divergences on MACD or RSI, 3 or more divergences to be specific, a final push comes. Okay, so this final push has started somewhere here, right? So this final push comes which breaks this trend line. So you can plot a trend line here. As you can see, 3 divergences, negative divergences. So price is going up and MACD is going down, and after that the final push comes. After that push, the stock breaks this trend line and falls on the downside below the zero line of MACD. And yeah, one more thing I want to tell you, that it has broken the previous MACD low, which was formed in a fourth wave low, formed near the fourth wave. And yeah, so these are a couple of bearish signals that I'm thinking of. So yeah, there are okay, so according to the wave count, so wave theory is differs from person to person. Okay, so some people might have a different count, but they have their own reasons. In one of my previous video also, I had given a count, different count, where I had said that this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 here, this is 4 here, and it is the 5th wave that only got extended. So yeah, the count I have adjusted, but the idea here is to spot the wave 5, which is now going to be corrected. Entire 5 move is going to be corrected. So this will be a long consolidation. That's what you can remember. And since the count does not matter for you right now, and you should just remember that we have completed the 5 wave sequence. The idea is not to have the correct count. The correct count should be based on the rules of Elliott Wave Theory, which I am following in this count as well. So someone might have a different count as well. That is also valid if it is following the basic rules of Elliott Wave. So we will create another video in which we will discuss the basic rules of Elliott Wave. So now since I have explained you why I'm bearish and what are the things that are telling me that we are in a bearish mode, what are the targets on the downside? So as I'm explaining to you, this is an extended wave from 17,500 to 18,600. So when there is an extended wave, there is a good chance that it will only retrace 0.236 Fibonacci. So this is the minimum minimum, or you could say most of the time maximum retracement in case of extended wave. So that's what is happening now. So we are going minimum to this level. So the next Fibonacci level is 0.382, which is 14,370. But that's not I'm expecting, because here I'm expecting W, X, Y, XX and Z wave This is also 5-wave move down. The downside is represented by letters and upside is represented by numbers. That's what you can remember. So W, X, Y, XX and Z wave, final wave should be pending, and that's what I'm expecting, max to this much and not expecting this much. We will take that call that we are going towards 14,700. Once we breach this 15,000, let's say 15,800, if we breach, then we will take the call that we are going towards this, and this entire move again will be a larger consolidation. So now another thing that you have to remember is the consolidation waves are longer than the falling waves. Okay, so here 8 bars are taken for down move, and how many bars? 10 bars are taken for the upside, so or the consolidation bars. Again here how many bars are taken? 9 bars are taken for falling, and here more than 9 bars must have been taken by now. So these are 10 bars. So there is very much possibility that we are going to fall going forward from this level as itself. So what will be the corrections here? Here will be wave A, then wave B again retracing up, and wave C. So this will complete the zigzag correction of triple zigzag or a triple three complex correction, where A, B and C waves are pending. So that's what we are going forward, that's what we are expecting on the next move for the Nifty. So when I go and check the 15-minute chart, I want to show you here that we have already started wave A. So this is pretty much 1 and 2 of wave A. Okay, so wave A is yet to be completed. That's what I think. I'm not thinking this has a smaller wave A. Okay, so wave A will have 5 waves. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So wave A will finish here, 1 2 3. B wave will finish here, again the 5 waves on the downside. C wave will finish. So this will be 5 3 5 wave structure of Z wave. So Z wave will have these many waves going downside. That's what you can remember. So now here when you see, I have plotted this as a 5-wave sequence. So this completes as 1, this is 2, and this is 3rd wave in progress. 4th wave will come, 5th will finish here, and we will call this as A. Then there will be a retracement again. So here internally when you see, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this is start of the 3rd wave. So this will be 1 again, this will be 2. So somewhere here it should finish the wave 2 and start the dip. We have to wait for this to be broken, then only we can decide going on the downside. Otherwise there is a good chance that it will break up and form something else, that then our analysis needs updation. Like we need to change the wave count, we have to see what is happening next. But this is looking pretty much possible that after we break this low, we are going to fall for the downside. And the downside targets I cannot give you as much correctly as of now, but yeah, that's what we can assume, that it is going towards somewhere near these levels, 17,000 16,760 or something. The wave 3 should go towards these levels. So now when we are completing this correction like this, 3 4 and 5 will come somewhere near here, somewhere near 17,500. We will complete A wave, again the retracement will happen, then again the fall will happen. So this is how my analysis is going to be for the next. So tomorrow if it opens gap up about this, we have to do the recount, and I'm not going to consider that possibility as of now. If it opens gap down and breaks this low 17,184, then definitely we are going downside towards, first target will be 16,932 to 16,761. Do not take positions initially without breaking this particular low, because market is giving very much random moves and changing the patterns. So this entire move we were not able to properly predict at all or project at all. So we have to be careful going forward, and we have to wait for 17,184 to be broken for the downside target. So as the moves change, I have to keep updating my count. So you have to adjust to the changing market conditions, and if in case it is going to gap up or break this level and sustain above this, we are pretty much going for another round of consolidation on the upside. That's what we can conclude if that happens in next 1 or 2 days, and the number of bars taken will be more. But anyway, the fall will be imminent on the downside towards 16,000. Anyway, it can go up more once it breaks this level. That's what you can remember for the next moves of Nifty. Okay, do remember that our analysis takes a lot of efforts to do the analysis and post the levels. So you can click the like button, and if you have any doubts, ask in the comments, and do subscribe the channel. So thank you. That's it for today. Have a great day. Bye bye.